Hey everyone, John Rand here. I'm going to be talking today. So if you really hate the sound of my voice, just click off the video now. But it's going to be about live chat, and I think it's going to be some pretty good piece of information. I don't really have examples because everyone knows what a chat box is. Everyone has seen the either robot chat or live chats or staff chats, whatever it may be. And I wanted to talk specifically about live chat for e-commerce. Now, there's some reasons you would or would not want to use live chat. If there's no one on your side that can answer chat and you don't have a staffed chat person, it's probably not going to be right for you. But there is some good information. Sorry, there's some good reasons to use live chat, and those are some of the ones that we're going to focus on today. For e-commerce, let's say you have a Shopify store and you have Facebook traffic, Instagram, Pinterest, even Snapchat or Google Ads or whatever it is. Hopefully it's Google Ads because that's the best. If you're driving traffic to your site, there's going to be people that are going to have questions. Sometimes people get a little bit lazy and they don't want to, look around the site. They want to know, what is your shipping policy? Is it something that takes 21 days to ship if you're a drop shipper, or is it shipping next day? What is your return policy? Do I have a 30 day? Is it unopened? Is there any sort of restocking fees? Is there time limits? Whatever it may be. When you're using a chat, if you can staff it on your end, and we'll talk about some different types of chats, but if you can staff a chat on your side, like you have a person, either yourself or maybe possibly an employee, that is on the chat box daily or just leaves it open, and when a chat comes in, they can answer it. You can find some really good pieces of information there and some strategic places to place that chat. I'll give you an example. If you don't want to have live chat on your site and you want to only place it at the crucial points, one of the things that we've seen work really well is placing it on the checkout. Now, why on the checkout? Because it's actually the place where your drop-off happens the most. Usually, I think about the last time I looked at the numbers, it was 63% of cart abandoners take place. It means they put it on in their cart, they're about to begin their checkout, and then they leave. Well, there's some reasons why they leave. They are wondering, is there a discount? I'm going to go look. Is there a shipping issue, or is there a return issue? No one looks at your privacy policy, but is there guarantees? Is there reviews? What did other people say? There's a lot of different things that people want to know at the point of that decision. And I think that almost all e-commerce websites, templates at least, do a horrible job at selling right at the most crucial time. So live chat is really good on the checkout after 30 seconds and a pop-up with a specific message. So if someone's going to your site, they place an item in the cart, and they go to the checkout, and they stay there for 30 seconds, probably because they're filling out their information, or if you wanted to test a little bit longer, you can see if they're having some second thoughts. But a chat box can pop up and say, do you have any questions before checking out? We've seen that drastically decrease the amount of cart abandoners up to about 20%. 1 out of 5 people ask questions. Yes, I have a question about, can I do this? Is that this? What about the sizes? If it's the wrong one, can I return it? Who pays for shipping? Blah, 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 blah. And the list goes on and on. And all of those pieces of information are really good to obviously, pacify and satisfy the customer, but also record that information and use it to create new content on your site. You can use it to build out your shipping policy. You can use it to build out your refund policy. I would probably not really care about those either way, because no one's going to look for those anyway. So you want to put them at the bottom of your product pages saying, shippings are X returns, those kind of things. Add, your social proof on the product pages, possibly a video. You can see all the questions that people have about right before they are about to buy. That's really good to be placed onto your onto your checkout pages. The next place I would do it is on the product page itself. And you can use a chat to pop up a specific message on a specific page. Like we did with the checkout, you can do that on individual product pages. So on your product A, you can have a chat box that says, do you have any questions about product A? Or on product B, do you have any questions about product B? Those type of things. If you have a bundle, maybe say, hey, if you're looking at product A, we also have a bundle for discount. You can start to send messages to people after a specific duration based on how long they've been on that page. Again, some really great things that you want to do is record all the information, record all the questions that people have, because that will turn into content. That'll turn into videos. That'll turn into a white paper. That'll turn into a blog. That'll turn into product page information. That'll turn into social proof if you can go out and gather reviews. All of the information that people have, they come in and they ask a lot of questions. You really can't see it here, but in the back of the screen, we have 6 chats and 4 leads, and it was from the 22nd, 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 24th. These are 4 chats here that came through, or 6 chats. 4 ended up being leads saying, yes, someone give me a contact. But those are people that probably wouldn't have or maybe not. Maybe they would have. Probably wouldn't though have converted on the website. We're not sure. We don't know. That's why we have the chat so we can see. And all of these questions that people ask are really good for us to say, if we didn't have it on our site, we would never know about it. People would ever ask questions. People would leave, and who knows how much money you're leaving on the table. So using a live chat is excellent. Now, there are some staffed chat agencies. One of them that we recommend is OctaChat, OctaChat.com. OctaChat, kind of like Octagon Chat, OctaChat.com. We're not affiliated with them by any financial means, but we use them ourselves as Solutions 8. We recommend it to a lot of our clients, and they're fantastic. What they do is they give you a 24/7 live agent that knows your business inside and out, has predetermined questions and predetermined answers that she knows or he knows how to ask and answer. And what that person does is they're on your site 24/7. So while you're sleeping at 2 o'clock in the morning, if someone clicks on a Facebook ad and goes to your site and says, do you guys do ABC? That person is there ready to answer the questions and hopefully either continue with the sales process for that person, or record why it didn't take place. And you wake up and figure out, what do I need to do to fix my business, or how much more money did I make? It's a really, really cool thing. So we recommend OctaChat. Pricing is really, really fair. They have different pricing for e-commerce and for lead generation. I would just go check them out. You could deal with the pricing with them. We just would highly recommend them. But some other different areas that you can use on the chat is specifically on your homepage. If you're driving a lot of traffic to your homepage and people are looking around and maybe they have some navigation issues. Hey, where is this? I saw an ad for that. Is that here? I was looking at your site. I couldn't find X. You might have some navigational issues. If people are on your homepage, they keep navigating to your homepage and try to find something else, or product or a blog or whatever they found. Those are really, really good ways to identify maybe you're having some different targeting issues from your ads and you're not sending them to the right place and they're going back to the homepage and trying to figure it out. Or B, they're going right to the homepage and they have no idea what they're doing because the site isn't as cleansly as it can be. So I don't even know if cleansly is a word. Clean. It's not as clean as it can be. So there's a lot of different reasons why you'd want to use live chat. You can use it to create content, use it to create sales support, I guess pieces, I would say, whether it would be blog or videos or anything like that. I guess it's around content. You can answer questions that people have. You can decrease your cart abandonment. You can increase your site's navigating capabilities. You can add to all of your pages what people are asking. And I think it's something that, because no one's going to buy if they didn't get their question answered. That's the thing. That's the main thing to think about is someone going to go to your site and look at a product, and because cart abandonment is 62% or more, if they go to checkout and they say, I have a lot of questions that aren't answered, I'll buy. It just doesn't happen. They're like, oh, I'll think about it, or I'll go somewhere else, or I'll look and I'll come back later. Give that opportunity for that person to ask the questions they want to ask before they buy. Think of it like, a store. You go into Home Depot and you need a blinds, and you walk over and you say, I don't know which blind this is. I need to talk to somebody. That's what live chat is. Live chat is that person that you get to talk to that can help you through that process. So highly, highly recommend it. And it's a great tool for added functionality to your site. This is John Rand. Thanks so much. Bye.